There are two scenarios in a high-conflict divorce that break fathers: when your children are being turned against you, and when the other side is using the cost of litigation itself to bleed you dry. Most men don't know that Illinois law has specific tools built to fight both. This is part 3, the counterattack of our nuclear option series. Weapon 4, neutral operatives, the Guardian Ad Litem and custody evaluation, under sections 506 and 604.10. When custody is the central front, you need professionals in the field who answer to neither side. Under Section 506, the court can appoint a Guardian Ad Litem, a licensed attorney whose sole mission is the child's best interests. The GAL interviews both parents, the children, teachers, and therapists. They inspect both homes and file a report. Judges follow GAL recommendations with striking consistency. Under Section 604.10, the court can order a full custody evaluation by a licensed psychologist. This goes deeper. Psychological testing, watching how each parent actually interacts with the children, interviews with teachers, doctors, and other people in the child's life. The evaluator is trained to spot coaching, manipulation, and mental health issues that judges and attorneys often miss. This is where the counterattack becomes surgical. If parental alienation is occurring, a trained evaluator will find it. Dr. Amy Baker documented 8 warning signs of alienation. 1, a nonstop campaign of bad-mouthing you where the child's hatred feels rehearsed. 2, weak excuses for the rejection that don't match the child's age or experience. 3, no mixed feelings at all. You are all bad. The other parent is all good. 4, the child insists nobody told them to feel this way, which is itself a sign of coaching. 5, the child automatically takes the other parent's side in every disagreement. 6, zero guilt about how they treat you. 7, the child describes events they never witnessed or uses adult language no kid their age would say. And 8, the rejection spreads beyond you to your parents, your siblings, your entire side of the family. If you see 3 or more of these signs, you're not dealing with a child who made up their own mind. You're dealing with a psychological operation targeting your relationship with your kids. Don't confront the other parent about it. That almost always makes it worse. Instead, document everything, every canceled visit, every strange statement, every behavioral shift, dates and exact quotes. Then you hand that log to the GAL and the evaluator. Their neutral report becomes the evidence that exposes the operation. Request the GAL. Request the evaluation. If the other side fights it, their resistance to a neutral investigation speaks volumes to the court about what they are trying to hide. Weapon 5, the siege breaker. Fee petitions under Section 508. Under Section 508, the court can order either party to pay the other's attorney fees. The court examines 2 factors: ability to pay and whether one party's conduct unreasonably increased litigation costs. That second factor is your weapon. If the other side has filed pointless motions designed to waste time and money, manufactured false allegations that forced you to spend thousands defending yourself, or refused to cooperate with the discovery process, the court can shift those fees onto them. In high-conflict divorce, financial pressure is often weaponized to drain your ability to fight. Section 508 reverses that. When their attorney explains that scorched earth tactics could make them responsible for both sides' legal bills, the math changes fast. Build the exhibit from day one. Every unnecessary motion, every discovery violation, every false allegation, that running total becomes your Section 508 ammunition. Here's the final briefing for the series. Psychologist Viktor Frankl wrote that between stimulus and response there is a space, and in that space is your power to choose. She sends a vicious text. You choose gray rock. Your child repeats words that aren't theirs. You choose the GAL petition. Another pointless motion lands. You choose documentation. The fathers who win high-conflict divorces are not the angriest or the wealthiest. They are the most disciplined. The law gives you the weapons. Psychology gives you the awareness. Discipline gives you the victory. The map is in front of you. Walk the path. Subscribe and hit the bell. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Every case is fact-specific. For advice tailored to your situation, consult a licensed Illinois family law attorney. The creator of this channel is not a lawyer. Psychological concepts referenced are from published research and are not a substitute for professional counseling. This is principled fatherhood. We don't vent, we strategize. Stay principled.